Hi, my name is Judith. I'm the Principal Osteopath at the Mallow, Blarney and Fermoy Osteopathic Clinics. Today I'm joined by my colleagues, Maureen and Damien.
Hello.
So today we're here to talk about osteopathy and what is osteopathy. So osteopaths are healthcare professionals and we treat with our hands any issues within the body. So Damien, would you like to talk about what kind of patients you treat in clinic?
Yes, of course. So basically, osteopathy we will available for every kind of patients, like from newborn babies to the older person. Personally, for me, like the youngest patient that I had was like 2 days old, and then the older that I had was like 92 years old. So there's a variety of people that we can treat and help to get better health.
And Maureen, would you like to talk about who can come to an osteopath? Do they self-refer or how does it work?
Basically, osteopathy is for everyone. So if you have any kind of pain, you can book your session with an osteopath. And what the osteopath's going to do, it's going to put his hand on your body and feel all the restriction. Because the body is full of tissue and all the tissue are moving in a certain way. So what we're looking as an osteopath is the mobility, and if something isn't moving properly, we're gonna search the link why it's not moving properly and how can we make it move better. Exactly.
Yeah. Osteopathy is all about movement. So when a person comes to the clinic, we do a detailed case history to find out what's been happening to the body at that point. So has there been injuries, road traffic accidents? Has there been sporting injuries over the years?
Surgeries.
Yes, absolutely. Past medical histories, any medication that they're on. And we do a detailed case history to make sure it's safe to treat the body, because most patients coming into the clinic will have musculoskeletal issues. So, for example, someone might present with neck pain, but they might also have other issues. So if they have a restriction into their neck, it can affect the blood flow and drainage up to the head. They can suffer from frontal type headaches, or they can have issues with sinus pain because the drainage of the face isn't working correctly. What other patients would present to the clinic?
It can be anything like shoulder pain, it can be any digestive issue, it can be any stress as well, or any anxiety or any sleep issue. It can be any pelvic pain or during pregnancy or post-pregnancy after the labor. If you have a really stressful labor, a really long labor, you might gonna come to check and to have your mobility test and everything to be more balanced and easier for you to walk after, much better after the pregnancy. It can be for sports people as well, for any ankle sprain or any muscle pain as well. It can be for older people, for any hip pain or low back pain or any shoulder pain. So really everything. Osteopathy is a holistic medicine. So we're considering the body as the whole part and everything's working together. So usually we try to consider how your system is working, so your organs are working, how your energy is as well, because we can work on the energy and try to give you more energy in your body. And we can work on the mobility as well.
Yes, and the fact that when we're working on the mobility as well, it'll give you the better balance in your body. So probably you have a pain at some point somewhere in your body, but it doesn't mean this is the main area of the problem. So we'll search very, very precisely to help you out, figure out the whole picture of the body, and then so that everything is getting aligned and together so it works better, and then you have a better health.
Yeah.
And also, we would also give advice for patients to try and maintain their own health. We'll give them helpful tips at home that they can do, and also give them advice on whether it's doing a little bit of stretching or yoga or Pilates or going to the pool or doing aqua aerobics. It's really important to explain to the patient where they have their issue. If you'd like to find out more about osteopathy or how osteopathy can help you, you can visit us to find out more information on our websites: mallowosteopaths.com, blarneyosteopaths.com and fermoyosteopaths.com.
You can also search for an Instagram page and for a YouTube page where you can find really useful video about patient treating a baby and treating a pregnancy during pregnancy on my osteopath Judith.
And you can find out about what's new on Facebook and LinkedIn as well.
Give us a call on 022 51751. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Maureen, and thank you, Damien.
Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you, Judith.